Registration requirements under GST for exempt supplies. Section 22, 23, 24 of the CGST Act deals with registration. Where the aggregate turnover of a person, aggregate turnover means both taxable as well as exempted supplies. If it exceeds the threshold limit, registration is mandatory. If a person is supplying only goods, the threshold limit is 40 lakhs in most of the states. In special category states, it will be 10 lakhs of rupees. If a person is supplying both uh, goods as well as services, in such a case, the threshold limit is 20 lakhs of rupees. The registration should be taken from in the state from where the supply is made. Section 24 deals with a situation where a person should get mandatorily registered irrespective of the threshold limit. Some of the examples are non-resident taxable person, e-commerce operators, input service distributors, TDS deductors, etc. There are some more categories which are who have to get themselves registered irrespective of the threshold limit. Section 23 deal with cases where registration is not mandatory irrespective of the threshold limit. One such case is in respect of persons engaged solely in supplying exempt items need not register themselves. Another category of persons is agriculturists who supply produce from cultivation of land. The government may also notify certain other categories of persons who need not get themselves registered. One such category is person making supplies where tax is payable by the recipient under RCM. However, there is an exception to this case, that is metal scrap suppliers. Though tax is payable reverse charge by the recipient, they have to get themselves registered. The government may also notify certain other categories of persons who need not get themselves registered irrespective of the threshold limit. To sum up, the threshold limit you have to consider aggregate turnover, which includes taxable as well as exempt supplies, and also if there are mixed supplies. Let us say take an example of a person making a supply of both exempted goods as well as taxable supplies. For him, the threshold limit will be 20 lakhs of rupees. If the exempt goods is 19.5 lakh and the taxable service is 1 lakh, then exempted plus taxable exceeds 20 lakhs of rupees and registration is mandatory, but tax is to be paid only on the taxable supply. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.